Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today we're gonna do crepes for breakfast, and these are, pre-made, ready-to-go crepes that I buy at my local Eastern European grocery store. They are really good. Here's the what the box looks like. If you can find these, I highly recommend them. They look homemade. They taste homemade. I had them before, so I decided to make a video on them. IKEA makes and sells frozen grapes as well. Frozen crepes as well, but these are better in my opinion. So let's make some crepes for breakfast. Actually, I'm gonna make these for my kid. So here's what they look like when you remove the top off and you open the package. There's the bottom of it. Here's the next one, the top, the bottom. They look really good. They look homemade. Just really good. Look at that. Look how nice they look. Just keeps going. So I'm making a total of 3 crepes. The first crepe is going to be with Nutella. Second crepe will be Nutella and crushed walnuts. Third crepe will be peanut butter and jelly. So this is the plain Nutella crepe. I'm just going to roll it just like a burrito. There it is, the first crepe done. Here's the second one, Nutella, and I'm just going to sprinkle some walnuts on it. That's it. Just really on top of Nutella, just like that. That should do it. Why not? Just add all of it. And again, roll it just like a burrito. Just like a burrito. That's it. That's the second one. 2 out of 3 done. And here's my third one. Peanut butter and jelly. I'm gonna do the same thing. Just gonna roll it into a burrito. And here we go, guys. I'm done with my 3 crepes, and nice little fun breakfast. Now you can dress those up with, whatever you like. You can add all kinds of stuff inside of it, outside of it, fruit, strawberries, bananas, berries, whatever. You can add, whipped cream, honey, whatever, man. It doesn't matter. So let me go ahead and try. Let's go from the beginning. The plain Nutella. Let's try that first. Looks really good. Mm. Two thumbs up. Delicious. Delicious. This one is Nutella with the crushed walnuts that I crushed. Mm. This one's more fun. This one's like eating a crepe with Ferrero Rocher filling. Reminds me of that. Got an extra crunch. It's really good. So let's do the peanut butter and jelly. All right, peanut butter and jelly. Yeah. Tastes like peanut butter and jelly in a crepe. Tastes really good. Oh, these are great. You can dress them up any way you want. 5 out of 5. Crepes are always delicious, always fun. I don't really like making them because you have to stand there and be there the entire time. So I prefer just to buy them, and this company makes them. They taste almost homemade, so they're really good. That's all I got for you guys. I'm going to go finish my breakfast. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.